In 2022, GIGALIGHT, the Open Optical Network Device Explorer, has launched a new series of Single Lambda 100G products. The 100G QSFP28 DR1, FR1, LR1 Silicon Photonics transceivers, and 100G QSFP28 LR1, ER1 EML transceivers, which can replace or supplement the requirements for 100G transmission application scenarios of traditional 4-channel 100G transceivers. These products adapt the mainstream QSFP28 form factor, convert 4 channels of 25G NRZ electrical signals into a single-channel 100G PAM4 electrical signal through DSP, and then modulate it into a single lambda 100G optical signal through Silicon Photonics or EML to realize 100 GB per second bidirectional transmission on one pair of optical fibers. At present, all the GIGALIGHT Single Lambda 100G transceivers support 100G Ethernet data rate, which meets the requirements of 100G transmission in data center interconnection, data center interconnection, and metro telecommunications. Among them, the DR1, FR1, LR1 Silicon Photonics transceivers support the maximum transmission distance of 500 meters, 2 kilometers, and 10 kilometers respectively, which can be used as a replacement or supplement for GIGALIGHT's existing PSM4, CWDM4, 4WDM10, and LR4 10 km transceivers. The LR1, ER1 EML transceivers support the maximum transmission distance of 20 km and 40 km respectively, which can be used as a replacement or supplement for GIGALIGHT's existing LR4 20 km, ER4 Lite, and ER4 transceivers. In the future, GIGALIGHT will continue to improve the 100G product line and launch 100G SFP-DD FR1 LR1 transceivers with smaller size and supporting 100G and OTU4 dual rates. GIGALIGHT, the Open Optical Network Device Explorer.